Science has found evidence that Earth is the center of the universe. Science has found evidence that God exists. So why do they tell us we are insignificant?
There's nothing special about humans. There's nothing special about the Earth. In fact, our universe may be one among many universes.
And there's no evidence of planning or purpose in the universe.
The Big Bang assumes that the only thing that exists is the physical world, and there's nothing beyond that.
The truth is, we are significant.
We are in a special place. I do believe that the universe was created by God.
Always question the scientists and their foundations.
They built their careers on this, and it would be admitting a major mistake.
So they set up a satellite and they find out these temperature disturbances throughout the universe were all pointing to the Earth.
Whoa, what is going on here?
This cosmic microwave background is like we are seeing the fingerprint of God, the hallmarks of the Creator.
Man is in a special location for presumably a special purpose.
When I see how barren the other planets are and how bountiful the Earth is, something's different, and we're in just the right spot for it.
This is the movie modern science doesn't want you to see.
If you were paranoid, you'd say there's a conspiracy.
As a matter of fact, you can go on some websites of NASA and see that they've started to take down stuff that might hint to a geocentric universe. I mean, how do you avoid this evidence? They have nowhere to go. It's the moment of truth for science.
Well, first of all, in 1978, they had a hint that this radiation, cosmic microwave background radiation, wasn't smooth, that there were bumps in it. But they didn't really know what these bumps meant. And by bumps, I mean temperature changes. It's at 2.75 degree Kelvin, and it might be a little higher here and a lower there in parts of the universe. So they sent up this probe in 1990 called the COBE probe, and it came back and it showed that the Earth was aligned by the Earth's equator and the ecliptic between the sun and the Earth with this cosmic radiation. Now that's significant because the universe is 93 billion light years in diameter, and our little Earth is, what, 93 million miles from the sun, and yet the whole universe is aligned with the Earth. So they found that in 1990. Then in 2001, they couldn't believe their eyes, so they sent up another probe to check on the first one, and they found the same evidence. Then in 2009, they couldn't believe the first two, so they sent up another one. This time the European Space Agency got involved with NASA, and they just got the results back in 2013, and lo and behold, the same thing. So it's like three strikes, you're out. You know, this is scientific evidence now.
And there's this axis. Can you explain how the axis fits into all of this?
Yeah.
This is like an axis that's going all the way through the seeable universe?
Well, it shows that the Earth is significant because it's the hub of the universe. If all of the radiation, which comes from everywhere in the universe, there's no place we don't see it, and it's all coming toward us and aligned with us like this, you know, on a 23.5 degree tilt and with our equator, the Earth is like a little pea compared to like the Milky Way. You know, what is this universe doing being aligned with this little pea? But that's what they found 3 times in 20 years, you see. So this is astounding evidence. You have to deal with it.
Well, Bob, tell me about the thing that you found with the galaxies.
Well, in 2005, they had turned their telescopes to the universe, and they wanted to take a sort of a grand survey of all the galaxies. It was called the Sloan Digital Sky Survey, 2005. As far out as we could see in the universe, the galaxies were aligned in concentric spheres around, guess what? Earth, or our galaxy. Let's just put it that way. So, but we're in the galaxy, so it means, you know, all these galaxies are separated by 250 million light years, and then you go another 250 million light years, and there's another concentric sphere, and then another 250, there's another, so there's 7 altogether that we can see. Okay, so again, this puts us right in the center of things. They have never seen this before.